The first thing to consider before using the Aspen Process Economic Analyzer is to set its database. First thing that we have seen is that the values informed in the software is in US dollars in the US. When we consider that the project will be installed in anywhere outside the US, the values or the cost estimation will be different. The second thing is that you need to verify what is the accuracy of the results. The Aspen HiSys performed the calculations for each piece of the equipment, resulting in $1.7 million for this rotating equipment, for this compressor. In fact, when we get the quotation for the supplier, I will not have each piece of the equipment separated. I will have just one block, just one skid in this case. The value that I have shared with you in the spreadsheet is a quotation of a real equipment that is around 550,000 US dollars. So there is a big differences between the results from the process simulation and also the results of real life. But in that case, the compressor is a reciprocating compressor. So when you change the technologies of the equipment, the price of the equipment will also change. Another thing to consider is the utility summary. You see that the cost of electricity in the US will be totally different than the cost of utility in Brazil, then will be different in India or in Italy, Germany, in Russia, and etc. So to use the APEA, it can for sure let your life much easier for cost estimation, but you need to work in the database of the software. And to do that, you will require specific knowledge because it's not a simpler task. It is a standalone software. It has a totally different interface than Aspen HiSys and Aspen Plus, and it's possible to set the fittings that are needed, but you need a little bit of time to understand and do this. So this is important to understand before just letting on the cost estimation in your Aspen HiSys.